Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Feeling like no matter how hard you work, you just can't get ahead? Welcome to Money Mastery eBooks, where you can learn, grow, earn, and build real wealth step by step. To help you get started, we're giving away a free ebook, Stop Living Paycheck to Paycheck. Inside, you'll discover how to budget smarter, cut expenses, and finally create financial breathing room, even on a tight budget. Our collection of ebooks is designed to give you practical, real-world strategies you can use immediately. From beginner budgeting to advanced money management, we break it down into simple steps anyone can follow. Want to teach your children smart money habits early? Our guides help families build strong financial foundations so the next generation grows up financially confident and prepared. If you've experienced financial setbacks, you're not alone. Our step-by-step guides show you how to rebuild, regain control, and create a stronger financial future, no matter where you're starting from. Need to fix your credit fast? Learn how to boost your score, remove negative items, and take control of your financial profile with confidence. Right now, take advantage of our special offer. Buy 2 ebooks and get 1 free. Just add 3 to your cart, and 1 is automatically free at checkout. All purchases include instant email delivery in EPUB format. No shipping costs, no taxes, just fast, secure, and easy access to your ebooks. Looking for the perfect gift? Gift cards are now available. Give the gift of financial freedom. And if you want to earn extra income, join our affiliate program and start building your own side hustle today. Visit moneymasterybooks.com and take control of your financial future today.